welcome to my channel. This is Chuck. What I've got today is this Zarker anti-rust padlock, the A40. Kind of reminds me of the Brinks a little bit, but it says it's an aluminum body. So I will give this a try, and my curiosity is to see if it's really guttable too, or non-destructively guttable. But let's see. All right. Ooh, there is a screw right there. Yeah. So let's see if I can pick this. Okay, there's tension. Let's try. See if I can get it from the bottom. Nope. Let's get a little bit shorter. Keyway's kind of got the pins blocked. So let's see. Slight click out of 1. Click out of 2. 3. 4 is springy. Oh, 5 is crunchy. So check 1 again. Another click out of 2. Now it's springy. 3, 4, 5. They all kind of feel mushy. So I'm gonna just double check. 1. Yeah. All right. We're just gonna reset. Let's see. What else can I try? Let's try this one. Let me try the bottom of the keyway just so I can see a little bit better right there. Let's see. All right, that was pretty good. Let's see. That was a definite click out of 1, 2, 3, 4 is just feeling mushy, so I don't know if it's 5. Go back, check. 1 is spring, 2, 5 solid. Okay, nobody's. All right. So, try again. The handle's kind of getting in my way here. Bring it out a little bit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, slight click, 5. Okay. All right, let me try. 1, 2, 3. Click on 4. Good. Slight movement, and we're open. All right. Yeah, look at the key. That number 4 pin is way up there. So, all right. So that is picked. Let's see if I can give this a quick gut. I didn't feel any security pins, but doesn't mean there are not any. But let's see. There's the screw out. Now will the core come out? Oop, yep. Oh. Interesting. The back of the core has the spring on it. And that is pinned there and it's pinned into the top. Huh. Alrighty. So just trying to see how this kind of goes around. Okay. So we'll try to pull this one out and see how bad this goes flying. Not too bad. Then I can pull that off. Maybe. He says. Huh. Gotta get this spring. There we go. So that is okay. Now looking here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A lot more than what the bidding has of 5. Ew, and I can see that it is a skeletonized core. So that's not good. Another thing that's interesting is you can see it was drilled at an angle. So see how the plug is not straight, it's at an angle already. So there's just kind of, I guess to avoid that screw hole, they offset the Bible, I'm assuming. But okay, so looking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it was a 6 pin, so that 7th is probably the retaining pin. And if you probably recall from one of my previous videos, I was able to get one that is so where's the key? I'll take this key off. This may take a while, so I'm going to probably fast forward till I get the core out. Okay, so I'll leave the camera running, but you'll probably just see me banging on this thing trying to get it separated. All right. All right, so after a little bit of a disaster, but I recovered from it. Only bent one spring, but I was able to get it out. They are all standard key pins, standard driver pins. Don't look too bad of quality. Maybe little bit of imperfection on the drivers I can see, but some spools or something in there would really make this a fun lock. There is the retaining pin at the back that retains the core in. I believe it is reachable from the keyway, which is actually just that part of it sits down into that track right here. Prevents me going any further. It can drop into the keyway, which you can't get them pushed any further back, but that what prevents the limiting. But this is a severely skeletonized core, so beware he trying to gut this thing. Shim, and shim if you can. I was trying to do it by impact, but you can get to that pin and lift it with a pick after I did some further investigations. So all right, if you stuck with me, hopefully I fast forward through most of that and got to here, because otherwise this is 45 minutes. So all right, thanks for watching.